Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to embed Audiomack on a WordPress. Firstly, before we start, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. And don't forget to like and comment on this particular video. So let's get started. I'm not going to start a post from fresh, but I'm going to edit this post so that let's use this post for the tutorial. So what I'm going to teach you guys today is how to embed Audiomack link on WordPress. So let's get started. Here is the song, Snatch new album, Greatest Lord. So as you can see, there's no Audiomack link here. All you can see here is Apple Music. So the only Audiomack here is my song. This is just like an advert on this platform. So I'm going to edit this post. So let's go to edit post. It's loading. Yeah, here is it. For those of you that knows how to use WordPress, this is how it looks like when you're publishing a new post. So I'm going to replace this Apple Music with Audiomack. Understand? It's just the same way that I did this Apple Music that you're going to do the Audiomack. Like in case if you want to embed Apple Music on a website, you can still use the same way. Understand? So I've deleted the Apple Music. Let's go back to Audiomack. Here is the album, Greatest Lord. And let's go to the album. Here is the full album, Sinach, Greatest Lord. So if you want to embed this particular song on WordPress, what you're going to do is you're going to come to this more. See this more? Come to this more. You see embed. Embed. As you click on embed, it will take you to this page. Then you copy. Use Ctrl+C. You copy this link, copy this code. Then come to WordPress. Come back to WordPress. See here, I'm going to paste it here. But firstly, before you paste it, you're going to change from visual to text. So let me change to text. You see how it looks like now? Change to text. This blank here is where I'm supposed to post it. That's why it's blinking here. So you just do Ctrl+V, paste it, Ctrl+V. Then as you paste it, you go back to visual. I'm back to visual. See it? See the Audiomack here. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to update this post. So click on update post. Here we go. Updated. Okay, let's view the post. Let's view the post. View post. Click on view post. Okay. Here is it. Here is the Audiomack link that we just embedded. So whenever if someone click on that post and comes in, you can actually play. But I don't want to play because of sound. I don't want my video to be copyrighted. Understand? I don't need any copyright claim on my video. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming to our channel. Please, if this video really helped, subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos we post videos every day concerning how to make money online, how to grow your Audiomack account, Instagram, YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, and many more. So you need to subscribe and wait for more videos. We love you guys. Thank you and remain blessed.